No king's palace, no royal tomb, no monument celebrating a ruler. Yet over 4,000 years ago, the Indus Valley Civilization built some of the most sophisticated cities in the ancient world. Cities planned with remarkable precision. Cities supported by advanced infrastructure. Cities capable of sustaining thousands of people. How such cities were organized remains one of history's greatest mysteries. Some of the answers may lie within three remarkable structures: the Citadel, the Granary, and the Assembly Hall. Dominating the city was a structure known as the Citadel, rising high above the lower town on a massive raised platform. At first glance, it looks like a fortress. For years, archaeologists believed it served a military purpose. Its height, its thick walls, everything seemed to point toward defense. But the evidence told a different story. Very few signs of warfare were found here. No stockpiles of weapons, no records of battle. Instead, the Citadel housed important public buildings, suggesting it may have been the administrative heart of the city. A great city needs a steady food supply. Without it, no civilization can survive. At Harappa, archaeologists uncovered a massive brick structure. Because of its design, it was identified as a granary, a place to store grain. If that theory is correct, it reveals a deeply organized society, one where farmers produced surplus food that could be collected, stored, and distributed. But there is a problem. No significant grain deposits were found inside the structure. Was it really a granary? Or perhaps a warehouse, a storage center for goods and trade? The answer remains uncertain. What is clear, however, is that this was an important public building, a testament to the extraordinary planning of the Indus people. At Mohenjo-daro, another remarkable structure awaited discovery. Today, it is known as the Assembly Hall. The building contained a large open space with rows of brick pillars supporting its roof, designed, it seems, for many people to gather at once. But what exactly happened inside these walls? No one knows for certain. Some historians believe it was a meeting hall. Others suggest ceremonies, trade, or community gatherings. The cities prospered, trade flourished, culture thrived. Yet suddenly, something changed. The great cities began to fall silent. In the final episode, we will uncover the mystery behind the disappearance of the Indus Valley Civilization.